You're taking a gander at the quickest road legitimate Lotus at any point assembled. Tipping the scales at 2,028 pounds, the new Lotus 311 430 can hit 60 miles per hour in only 3.1 seconds and proceed with the distance to 180 miles per hour. It's a fitting tribute for a long time of Lotus autos. Of course, the 430 in its name alludes to its energy yield. There's no four-banger screamer in the 311 430, the supercharged, Toyota-sourced 3.5-liter, 24-valve V6 produces 430 horsepower and 324.5 pounds-to-foot of torque. There's a lighter-weight carbon composite body on an expelled reinforced aluminum skeleton, and the carbon side boards are incompletely uncovered for that cool carbon look. You likewise get variable, 6-position footing control, with 5 levels going from 1% slip to 12% slip to off. Horizontal increasing speed while cornering is a respectable 1.5 grams. At the Hethel test track, the new 311 430 has supposedly beaten past Lotus endeavors. With a lap time of 1:24, it's 0.8 seconds faster than an Excite Cup 430, and it likewise totally devastates the past, 2015 311 by shaving off 2 entire seconds. Just 20 units will be fabricated, so few individuals will get the chance to encounter the 430 at greatest assault. Lotus has valued the 311 430 at £102,000 out and about in the UK, which compares to $142,525